Well, it is April 2nd, 8 o'clock in the morning, and we've got a storm passing by us, heading northeast, about to become a nor'easter. But yeah, we've got some flurries here at my place, and to my knowledge, I've lived here in northern South Carolina since 1980. And during that time, only once, back in 1982, was there a recordable measurement of snow. And it looks like that could happen again today, where we could possibly see up to an inch. So I'm probably going to be heading out here in a little bit, heading south, where I'm working at a location temporarily, and we might be seeing some snow along the way, so I thought I'd do a little intro before I head out to see what we see, because that would be pretty impressive. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, only 6 times in recorded history since 1880 has there been snow in April here in northern South Carolina, around the Charlotte, North Carolina area. So could be quite interesting to see what we see this morning. Well, just looked on the cameras, and yeah, we got some flakes falling. Of course, here in the Carolinas, this is, everybody freaks out. Gotta get bread and milk and TP and all that other crap. Being from Buffalo, this is kind of a laugh. The snow's not gonna last. I mean, it's going to be real quick. Yeah, it'll probably be gone by lunchtime, so only for a few hours, and then it'll be done and gone. So, yeah, just a few flakes. Just a quick burst, and now it's starting to lighten up. So. But I know we got more, as you can see. Just a few flurries is all we have right now. It's snowing more. And my girl's here to check it out. Does it remind you of Pittsburgh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, Kate's not impressed. Got her. Yeah, her plants are getting snow, and she's not happy. So, but it'll be gone in a few hours. By 11 or 12, it'll all be gone. It's actually coming down pretty good now. Some big flakes mixed with rain. Yeah, this is a super rare event. Last time there was any recorded snow, and of course I don't remember it, but I was here. It was 1982. So, what was that, like 37 years, something like that? 36 years, 37, somewhere. So yeah, very, very rare event for our area to get snow in April. I'll probably take the camera with me to drive. I'm driving down to the neighboring county. We might be seeing snow down that way as well. Check it out. And the view from my security cameras shows it's really coming down. Yeah, the radar's starting to show a changeover. Got a heavy band moving through. Oh wow, we got some big flakes now. Yeah, how about that? Snow in April. Well, Kate's going to come out here to look at her plants. This is Yeah, this is pretty impressive. Put bags over them. Man, these are some big flakes. Guy on a motorcycle. Perfect. Perfect weather for it. Flakes are trying to stick, but not having much luck. But yeah, these are big flakes, definitely. At least an inch in diameter. Tulips are about spent. Of course, the redneck debris across the street still there, 5 months and counting. Love living near rednecks. Beautiful weather. Man. There she comes. It reminds you of home, doesn't it? Yeah. These are just big, thick snowflakes. Yeah. That's usually what we get, a mix. I'm surprised there's no sleet involved, but we need to have a much thicker cold layer for sleet to fall. So yeah, I think they'll be alright. Because yeah, a couple hours this will all be gone. Man, these flakes are getting bigger. Yeah, pull the camera off a little bit.
This looks like Pittsburgh. See how it's doing now?
Yeah. Big, thick flakes. Yeah, I'm about to hit the road as I head on out. Now you see the pollen in the driveway, the yellow streaking down. So I guess if there's any advantage, hey, it's taking the pollen out of the air. Yeah. Wow.
I'll leave the bag on them until it stops snowing, and then if it's just turning to rain, but it looks like it's good from rain to snow. So I'll wait until it stops snowing, and then I'll pull the bags off of them so they can get some. I don't know if the sun's coming out or not.
It'll be out probably in the afternoon, but it's supposed to warm up into the low 50s, I think.
Yeah.
So.
That's it for my hyacinths. They're over there, but that's pretty normal for them. They're spent.
Yeah.
They'll come back next year, as will the tulips.
Yeah. Oh, the sirens are out. Somebody's panicking. It's snowing. I don't know what to do.
Yeah.
That's what happens here in the South Carolina especially. I bet you there's a mad rush at Walmart too for bread and butter and water, milk, and yeah, TP. Got to get that TP.
Yeah, you guys down here are crazy.
Yeah, it's funny. So,
wow.
Well, I need to get rolling.
The azalea bush is starting to sprout. See, it's happier now. See that? It's happy now.
Oh yeah, everything's going in bloom with snow. Pretty amazing. So, well, anywho, I need to get back in and get ready to roll. So, because I might get sick, and then you're gonna have to take care of me. Yeah, my nurse is going to have to nurse me back to health because I'm just out here in the snow and no hat on. At least I got a coat. So
you don't have a hood.
No, I don't like wearing hats. I don't know. I'm just unique. Yeah, I'm unique. So, and yeah, you're rare. So, oh, that's funny. All right, well, we'll hit the road next. Well, I'm here at work. It's a small office. Snow is lightening up, but we still have more to come, but it's blazed up the parking lot pretty nicely here. Wow. Old colonial house over there. And it's obviously coated the ground. We definitely got about an inch, between an inch and 2 inches. Definitely. Pretty impressive for April. Huh. Yeah. Leaving my footprints. Yeah, it's moving on out. It'll probably be gone in another hour, hour and a half maybe. And then the winter snowstorm in the Carolinas in April will be over. And if you saw in the video on the way down, somebody ran into the back of a school bus. Looked like they were doing full speed. So, yeah. We'll definitely be cited for that, driving too fast for conditions. So, but, yeah. Pretty impressive snowstorm. Yeah, a load of wood. We're in the snowstorm. Huh. And my van is pretty coated, of course, with the snow. It was all, this whole front was coated, but it's already fallen off. And the sub plate is still coated with snow. Still pretty amazing. Look at all the pollen. And this is nuts. For allergy sufferers, this is probably a blessing right here. The snow taking out a lot of the pollen out of the air. Man, that is nuts. Wow. And then there's this yellow, I thought it was a yellow painted line at first. I was like, I don't remember seeing this. No, it's just pollen. It's been trapped by the weeds growing up around the concrete and blacktop barrier. It doesn't seem to be melting very quick. There's a sharp bend right here, and I'm really surprised somebody hadn't lost it. Because, yeah, it's pretty crazy. Huh. Yeah, and I don't think I mentioned the temperature has been between 33 and 34 all morning. Tomorrow's temperature, 70 degrees. Oh man, that is nuts. But yeah, it's still snowing pretty good. I mean, it's lightened up a bit, but yeah, a little bit coated on the trees, definitely on the ground, as you can see. But it looks like it's starting to melt a little bit as the warmth of the ground is starting to cause the snow not to stick, or melt it, I should say. Yeah, it looks like it's pretty much changed over to all rain now. The storm's starting to pull away. So, I guess we'll just wrap it up from my temporary location. So, I'll upload this when I get home this evening, so y'all can check it out for those interested. But, yeah. Other than that, I guess we'll wrap it up until next time. Adios.